So this is for beginners. You have to set your meter to DC volts. So voltage with a line, straight lines, or the 3 dots on the straight line, not the wiggly line. So volts DC. If you look at the bottom, it tells you which, positive and negative. So I'll put the red line on, the red on the positive, and the black on the negative, minus sign. So I'll just turn it around so you can see it. It takes a little while to calculate, but 52.5. So that's a good voltage. That means it's pretty much charged. Now if you swap the leads around, don't really matter. You'll just get a negative sign on it. That negative sign is telling you that you got the cables the wrong way around. So that's it. Easy to do if you need to test your battery on your e-bike.